Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I was a revenue officer, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 1058 letter, which was sent to you by a revenue officer, a job that I used to have. I can tell you exactly what IRS is going to do when they work a case like yours. So and listen up. It'll be a very brief journey. IRS, a revenue officer like me, has a case and they need to close their case in their inventory. It's probably maybe one of 60 cases they have in their inventory. They're depending on how they're graded. So their job is to their job is to make sure you don't owe any more debt if they stop the problem. They want to make sure all your tax returns are filed, and then they're going to ask for a financial statement. With that, they're either going to put you in uncollectible, a payment agreement, or an offer in compromise. Those are your three options that you have to go ahead and resolve this debt. What is IRS going to do? What's the revenue officer going to do? They're going to take a financial statement, and with that financial statement, they will make a determination what they're going to do with you. You don't have an option to say, no, I want to do this. Well, you can. It's not going to work. So if you got that 1058 letter, you are already with a revenue officer. That revenue officer is the last means of IRS to collect the money, and they have seizure authority, wage garnishment authority, file a federal tax lien. They can start the process of removing your passport. So I just want you to know, when you get that 1058 letter and a revenue officer is assigned your case, lovingly, don't represent yourself once an RO has the case, because if it was like me, I'd love to chew people up who are unrepresented. But you do what you want to do, but I'm saying it's a really bad idea. Now, if you don't have anything and you're broke, there's nothing wrong with representing yourself. But if you owe any sizable debt, just don't do it. Bad idea, real bad idea to do it. Anyway, if you need me, call me. We do the representation. But remember, all tax returns are going to have to be filed. You're going to have fix the problem to show the revenue officer that, and be prepared to give them a fully documented financial statement. If you need me, you know where to get a hold of me. Give me a I kept saying prescription. Give me a subscription if you would. Thank you so much.